Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to create this name change up to title lower third in HitFilm. Alright, so actually this is crazy cool, but easy to do. I'm going to start by creating a new text object. So I'll just select the text and then I will just draw this out to where I want it to be, and then I'll put the name there. And I can go ahead and make some adjustments to that, and I'm going to center that also, okay? Then let me zoom in on this a little bit. Let me create another track. So what I want to do is just duplicate that. So I'm going to hit the control key and then just grab and drag that up to create a second one, okay? Now I want them both to be 2 seconds, so I'm just going to grab them both and trim them back to 2 seconds. And then I'm going to move backwards about half a second. So that would be to 112. And then I'm just going to actually grab the top one and bring it over. So the top one I'll change to actually be my title. So I'll just erase those and type in Film Sensei. Okay, so now what's going to happen is, in basic terms, is that it will come in the first half, it will then change over, and then it will slide out in the second half. So to make this happen, I'm going to use the behaviors. And I will just select Insert 2D Effect Behavior, and I will open that up. And I think to bring it in, I'm just going to use the right direction insert text only. And the reveal will be 50% of it. So basically what this means is it will take about half of its life to get to there, which is 1 second worth, right? And then I'm going to take that same right insert and I'm going to paste it to the other text, but I will make this 0 and I will make this 50% so that it will slide out as soon as it's done. So now we have this situation where it slides in and then it changes and then it slides out. Now how do we do the change? The change is just as easy. What I'm going to do is add another behavior. So I will select this little plus icon, and this time I'm going to use the Dumo designs, and I will have this actually conceal over the last 25% or half second, and then I will copy this and I will paste it into the other text, and this will be 0 and it will reveal over the first 25% or half a second. And so now when I play this, it slides in, it then changes up, and then it slides out. And it's really that easy. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for all the notifications. Thanks for watching.